XRP has just scored another major partnership, and this time it's with Roblox, one of the biggest online gaming platforms in the world with over 200 million monthly users. But wait, why did Roblox choose XRP? And what does this mean for the future of gaming? Overview of Roblox and its market. Okay, some of us already know that Roblox is a massively popular online gaming platform that allows users to create and play their own games. But Roblox isn't just about having fun and making friends, although those are pretty great perks. It's also a money-making machine, raking in a cool $773 million from in-game purchases in Q1 2023 alone. One of the key drivers of Roblox's success is its in-game economy. Players can purchase virtual items and currency, known as Robux, to enhance their gaming experience. The game developers get a cut of Robux action too. Roblox has paid out over $1 billion to developers since its inception. Not bad for a bunch of people who spend their days playing with digital Legos, am I right? Anyway, this reliance on microtransactions has made Roblox's in-game economy a prime target for innovation. Enter XRP, the cryptocurrency that's about to shake up the Roblox economy in a big way. Why is XRP ideal for in-game purchases? While Bitcoin might be the flashy supercar that everyone knows about, XRP is the sleek, understated sports car that's quietly dominating the race. Unlike Bitcoin, which can take up to 10 minutes to process a single transaction, XRP is lightning fast, with transactions typically confirmed in just 3-5 seconds. That's about as long as it takes for a Roblox player to spend their entire life savings on virtual hats and unicorn horns. Apart from speed, it's also incredibly scalable with the ability to handle up to 1,500,000 transactions per second. This means that even during peak usage times, players can expect fast and reliable transactions when using XRP to buy Robux or other in-game items. Another key feature of XRP is its low transaction fees. Compared to traditional payment methods like credit cards, which can charge merchants up to 3% per transaction, XRP fees are negligible. This makes it an attractive option for game developers and publishers looking to maximize their profits while keeping costs low for players. Details of the partnership. Okay, so we've covered why XRP is the perfect crypto for Roblox's needs. But how exactly is this partnership between Roblox and XRP going to work? Roblox has teamed up with two key players in the payment processing world, Xsolla, their in-game payment processor, and BitPay, a leading cryptocurrency payment provider. The integration process is seamless and user-friendly. Players simply need to connect their XRP wallet to the Roblox platform, and they're good to go. No more fumbling around with credit cards or PayPal. When they're ready to make a purchase, they can select XRP as their payment method and the transaction is processed by BitPay. Boom, just like that, their Robux are in their account, ready to be spent on the latest virtual fashion trends or that exclusive game pass they've been eyeing. But the real beauty of this partnership is the expanded payment options it offers to Roblox's massive user base. I mean, think about it, there are probably a lot of Roblox players out there who are already crypto enthusiasts, just waiting for the chance to use their digital assets in-game. And with the XRP integration, they can do just that without having to jump through any hoops or convert their crypto to fiat first. Implications for the gaming and crypto communities. Okay, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. What does this partnership mean for the gaming and crypto communities as a whole? First, of course, this partnership represents a major step forward in the adoption of cryptocurrencies in the gaming industry. As I mentioned, Roblox has over 200 million monthly active users. That's a whole lot of potential crypto enthusiasts just waiting to be converted. As more gaming platforms follow suit and integrate crypto into their in-game economies, we can expect to see a surge in the use of digital currencies for gaming-related transactions. Of course, the Roblox XRP partnership isn't just about making it easier for players to spend their money. It's also about creating a more efficient and scalable in-game economy. With XRP's lightning-fast transaction times and low fees, Roblox can handle the massive volume of purchases without breaking a sweat. But the implications go even deeper than that if you think about it. As more games adopt crypto payments, the overall adoption of digital currencies could accelerate, leading to a more diverse and robust crypto ecosystem. Previous collaborations and future prospects. Coming back to XRP, it's not their first time when it comes to collaborations and partnerships. They've been busy forging partnerships with all kinds of financial institutions, from banks to money transfer services. As of 2024, XRP is accepted by over 5,000 merchants worldwide with a total transaction volume of 1.2 billion. But what about the future? Well, if the Roblox XRP partnership is any indication, the future looks bright for XRP in the gaming world. As Roblox continues to grow and expand its user base, the integration of XRP could lead to increased adoption and usage of the cryptocurrency among gamers. Moreover, the success of this partnership could inspire other gaming platforms to follow suit, leading to a wave of crypto-powered in-game economies. As more and more people start to embrace cryptocurrencies as a way to store and transfer value, the demand for fast, scalable, and cost-effective crypto solutions like XRP is only going to grow. In fact, some experts predict that by 2025, the global crypto market could be worth as much as $5 trillion, with XRP playing a major role in driving that growth. Challenges and considerations. Okay, while the Roblox XRP partnership is an exciting development, if we're being honest, it's important to consider the challenges and potential hurdles that come with integrating crypto into gaming platforms. One of the biggest ones is, of course, regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrencies operate in a legal gray area, with varying levels of regulation and oversight depending on the jurisdiction. And when you've got a gaming giant like Roblox dipping its toes into the crypto pool, you can bet that the regulators are going to be keeping a close eye on things. So you need to ensure compliance and avoid legal issues. Just take a look at what happened with Ripple and the SEC. Back in 2020, the SEC slapped Ripple with a lawsuit, claiming that XRP was an unregistered security. And while Ripple has been fighting tooth and nail to prove that XRP is a legitimate cryptocurrency, the legal battle has finally ended. Ripple recently emerged victorious, solidifying XRP's status as a legitimate cryptocurrency and not a security. But it dragged on for too long. I mean 4 years. Another challenge is user adoption and education. Let's face it, not everyone is as crypto-savvy as the average Roblox player. A recent survey showed that only about 16% of Americans actually own cryptocurrency. Yes, we all know that crypto is becoming more mainstream, but many people still don't fully understand how they work or why they're useful. That means Roblox is going to have to put in some serious work to help their players understand the benefits of using XRP for in-game purchases. There's also the challenge of competition. XRP may be the crypto darling of the gaming world, but it's not the only digital currency vying for a piece of the in-game payments pie. Platforms like Bitcoin and Ethereum are also making inroads into the gaming industry, and traditional payment methods like credit cards and PayPal still dominate the bigger market. So how can Roblox and XRP overcome these challenges and ensure the long-term success of their partnership? Well, I think they're going to need to continue innovating and partnering with key players in the gaming and crypto industries. Maybe they could team up with a crypto education platform to help onboard Roblox players, or forge strategic alliances with other gaming platforms to expand the reach of XRP. That's a suggestion, but think about it. They need to develop new features and use cases for XRP in gaming, as well as building strategic partnerships. And they need to understand the importance of regulatory compliance. Roblox and XRP are going to have to stay on top of the ever-changing legal landscape, working closely with policymakers and industry groups to ensure that their integration is above board and meets all the necessary requirements. But at the end of the day, the Roblox XRP partnership is surely a bold and exciting move that could pave the way for a whole new era of crypto-powered gaming. Sure, there are challenges to overcome, but with the right strategy and a bit of crypto-fueled creativity, I have no doubt that Roblox and XRP can make it work. Before you go, Don't forget to check out our recent video on why the financial system isn't prepared for Ripple XRP's impact. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.